Are you looking for the best carport kits? In this video, we will break down the top 4 carport kits on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
VideoWiki is a product review database in video format. Here we're a group of product research where we test, analyze, and research trending products. Our goal is to create a list of top picks with buying guides for every category based on the product's features, quality, price, and user feedback. If you choose from our list, you can be sure you'll be buying one of the best products available today. Make sure to check the products link down below in the description. And please like the video and subscribe to our channel to get more product reviews regularly.
At number 1. Aero Fabric Enclosure Kit Carport Kits. If a rough night out on the town is on your calendar, but you don't feel like spending an arm and a leg for parking at the after-party, these Aero Fabric Enclosure Kit Carport Kits might be just what you need. Aero Fabric Enclosure Kits make it easy to convert your Aero metal carport into a practical, weather-resistant structure for storing your bikes, RVs, and more. The enclosure kits are made of solid PVC panels and a full-length zipper that attaches to the support frames of your Aero carport. Full-length zippers have sewn-in rain gutters for added protection. This kit includes awning, door, and walls to create a private and dry space for storing your items. The top of the enclosure fits snugly over the top of the 20-feet Aero metal carport, sold separately. The enclosure creates a private outdoor space without blocking cold air from coming into the garage. The silver vinyl walls provide privacy while keeping out rain, sleet, and snow. The Aero Fabric Enclosure Kit includes the pieces that are needed to enclose a 12x20 metal carport. It provides privacy in addition to shade for your outdoor spaces. The enclosure is composed of a sturdy fabric with an easy-to-clean surface. At number 2. Advance Outdoor Heavy-Duty Carport. Get the perfect amount of coverage with this adjustable carport. The 10-foot W x20-foot L carport has an adjustable height between 9.5 and 11 feet and removable sidewalls. Choose from beige or white for the color of the heat-sealed triple-layer 180-gram polyethylene cover. The frame is heavy-duty 1.5-inch diameter galvanized steel with either solid leg poles, 16 steel pegs, and 8 auger anchors. You can remove the sidewalls entirely and roll the doors up and out of the way. To make the frame stronger than others, the steel is thick at 1.2 millimeters. While the frame and cover are durable, the hardware pieces aren't the best. The bolts can easily strip, and the Velcro straps that hold the doors aren't strong enough for long-term use. At number 3. Quictent Carport Kits. If you are looking for a carport that looks and functions somewhat like a gazebo, go for the 10x20-inch heavy-duty carport gazebo from the reputed brand of Quictent. It is available in a serene white color. After quite a bit of thinking and reading mixed reviews, we decided to place an order for this gazebo-style carport from Quictent. The first impression matters, and it was a resoundingly positive one for us. It arrived neatly packed in 2 large boxes. The wooden brackets in the boxes eliminated the chances of any shipping damage to the steel poles. You will get a steel frame, a top cover, necessary assembly parts, 2 sidewalls with windows, and 2 front/back doors in the boxes. Assembling it is a 2-person job that could take around 2 days on average. We especially like this carport because it is much more than that. It can be used as a party tent. Each sidewall has 3 large windows that let in light. However, these windows do not open, so you will have to keep the front or back door, or both, open shall you choose to have a party in it. It is made of UV-resistant, waterproof polyurethane material. And its heavy-duty steel frame is rust and corrosion-resistant. At number 4. Abba Patio Carport Kit. One of the primary issues with the Abba Patio is the canopy. While the first product on our list featured polycarbonate sheets and the next two used a polyurethane cover, this marks the first product on our list to use a polyethylene canopy. While polyethylene and polyurethane are somewhat similar in chemical composition, their durability is not at all equitable. Oddly, the polyethylene is stiffer, but this counterintuitively makes it less durable, not more. Essentially, the polyethylene material is able to absorb shock less than polyurethane. This puts the Abba Patio more at risk of tearing or being punctured by hail and debris. Moreover, this is also the only cover on our list to not be flame retardant. This means that if exposed to a flame, this canopy may very well light up right along with it. Generally, the materials of carport canopies will melt instead of catch fire. This presents a unique concern among the Abba Patio and definitely prevents it from being located anywhere near where one may be cooking, like with a grill. Thankfully, the canopy is the only part of this carport to really show signs of substandard durability. The frame itself features 8 posts, all made from thick steel. This provides plenty of support so that even if the canopy may not last as long, the frame is more than capable of keeping it up until you have to replace it. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment and share with your friends. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feel.